What do you like most about basketball?
I like the fast pace and teamwork in basketball.
How often do you play basketball?
I play basketball 3 times a week at the local court.
What do you do to improve your basketball skills?
I practice dribbling, shooting, and passing every day.
Where do you usually play basketball?
I usually play basketball at the sports complex near my home.
What kind of shoes do you wear while playing basketball?
I wear lightweight and comfortable basketball shoes for better grip.
What does he do before a basketball match?
He warms up and stretches his muscles before the game.
How does she feel when her team wins?
She feels proud and excited when her team wins.
Where do they train for their matches?
They train at the city basketball gym every evening.
What time do players usually start their practice?
Players usually start their practice early in the morning.
What position does he play on the team?
He plays as a point guard on his basketball team.
What helps her shoot better during the game?
Her focus and steady hand help her shoot better during the game.
How do children learn basketball rules easily?
Children learn basketball rules easily through fun drills and games.
What do coaches teach during basketball practice?
Coaches teach teamwork, strategy, and discipline during practice.
Where does the referee stand during the match?
The referee stands near the court to watch every move clearly.
What does the scoreboard show during the game?
The scoreboard shows the scores, fouls, and time left in the game.
What makes a player more confident in basketball?
Regular practice and encouragement make a player more confident.
How does teamwork affect the game?
Teamwork helps players win matches and stay motivated.
What happens when a player commits a foul?
The referee gives a free throw or ball possession to the other team.
What do fans do during a basketball game?
Fans cheer loudly and wave flags to support their team.
How do players celebrate their victory?
Players celebrate by high-fiving and hugging each other.
What makes a basketball game exciting to watch?
Fast moves and close scores make it exciting to watch.
What does a good coach always focus on?
A good coach focuses on discipline and fair play.
Where can beginners learn basketball easily?
Beginners can learn basketball easily at a sports academy.
What do players drink during timeouts?
Players drink water or energy drinks during timeouts.
What does a team captain do during a match?
The captain leads, motivates, and guides the players.
What happens when a player scores a three-pointer?
The team earns 3 points and the crowd cheers loudly.
What do players wear for protection?
Players wear knee pads and mouth guards for protection.
What skill is most important in basketball?
Dribbling is one of the most important skills in basketball.
What does the referee blow when a foul occurs?
The referee blows a whistle when a foul occurs.
What helps a team win tough matches?
Strong teamwork and strategy help a team win tough matches.
What do spectators enjoy most in a match?
Spectators enjoy the fast moves and slam dunks the most.
What do players do during halftime?
Players rest and listen to the coach's advice during halftime.
What makes professional players special?
Professional players have great skill, speed, and focus.
How does practice improve performance?
Practice builds muscle memory and confidence in players.
What does a basketball coach always remind the team?
The coach reminds the team to play smart and stay calm.
What do young players dream about?
Young players dream about playing in the NBA.
What does a scoreboard operator do?
The operator updates scores and tracks fouls during the game.
How does a player become a good shooter?
A player becomes a good shooter through focus and repetition.
What does a referee ensure in every game?
A referee ensures fairness and safety in every game.
What happens after a timeout?
Teams return to the court with new strategies.
What kind of court is used for basketball?
A wooden indoor court is used for professional basketball.
What do players do after missing a shot?
Players try to rebound and shoot again quickly.
What happens when the ball goes out of bounds?
The other team gets the ball for a throw-in.
What does the crowd do during close games?
The crowd becomes louder and more energetic.
What do players need to play effectively?
Players need stamina, focus, and coordination.
How does a good defense change the game?
Good defense can stop the other team from scoring.
What do players use to control the ball?
Players use their hands and quick movements to control the ball.
What does the buzzer indicate?
The buzzer indicates the end of a quarter or game.
What does the coach do when a player is tired?
The coach substitutes another player.
What motivates players to give their best?
Passion and team spirit motivate players to give their best.
What makes basketball a team sport?
Players rely on each other to pass, defend, and score.
What does every player want during the game?
Every player wants to score and help the team win.
What happens when the score is tied?
An overtime period is played to decide the winner.
What do basketball fans often wear?
Fans wear jerseys of their favorite teams.
What makes dunking difficult for short players?
Their height limits their ability to reach the rim.
What do players learn from losing a match?
Players learn teamwork, patience, and sportsmanship.
What kind of passes are used in basketball?
Chest pass, bounce pass, and overhead pass are common types.
What does a player focus on while dribbling?
A player focuses on ball control and movement.
What happens if a player travels with the ball?
The referee calls a traveling violation.
What do teams do before the game starts?
Teams warm up and practice shooting before the game.
What does fitness mean in basketball?
Fitness means endurance, strength, and flexibility.
What does a player need to stay balanced?
A player needs strong legs and good posture.
What happens after a successful basket?
The other team gets possession of the ball.
What does the timekeeper manage?
The timekeeper manages the game clock and shot clock.
What do players discuss in team meetings?
Players discuss tactics and their next moves.
What kind of tournaments do players join?
Players join local, national, and international tournaments.
What makes basketball popular around the world?
Its fast pace and exciting action make it popular.
What kind of teamwork do players show?
Players show passing, defense, and support teamwork.
What do referees check before the game?
Referees check the court, equipment, and players' uniforms.
What does concentration do during the game?
Concentration helps players make better decisions.
What kind of attitude helps in basketball?
A positive and focused attitude helps in basketball.
What makes the crowd stand up in excitement?
A powerful dunk or winning shot makes them stand up.
What kind of uniform do players wear?
Players wear jerseys, shorts, and sneakers.
What happens when the coach calls a timeout?
Players gather and listen to new instructions.
What does shooting practice improve?
It improves accuracy and confidence in players.
What does every beginner need to learn first?
Every beginner needs to learn how to dribble and pass.
What kind of discipline does basketball require?
Basketball requires physical, mental, and emotional discipline.
What makes teamwork stronger?
Trust and communication make teamwork stronger.
What do professional players do after training?
They rest and recover to maintain energy.
What do fans love to see in a match?
Fans love to see quick passes and slam dunks.
What kind of strategy helps win close games?
A smart defensive strategy helps win close games.
What does the coach look for in a player?
The coach looks for skill, discipline, and teamwork.
What makes the point guard important?
The point guard controls the game's pace and passes.
What does confidence do for a player?
Confidence improves performance and focus.
What makes the basketball bounce high?
The air pressure inside it makes it bounce high.
What does the hoop consist of?
The hoop consists of a metal ring and a net.
What makes basketball different from other sports?
Its fast pace and constant action make it unique.
What do players avoid during the game?
Players avoid fouls and unnecessary mistakes.
What helps in developing teamwork?
Group drills and communication help develop teamwork.
What does the coach do after losing a match?
The coach reviews mistakes and encourages the team.
What makes defense challenging in basketball?
Fast movement and smart opponents make it challenging.
What do spectators do after the final buzzer?
They clap and celebrate the match.